Hello everyone, so in today's tutorial I will be sharing with you a 3D pop-out effect in a customized frame tutorial like this, and it will be done fully in Canva and you can do it for yourself without using any type of third-party apps. So before starting, I would request all of you to please subscribe to the channel to get new tutorials for absolutely free. So I'll be heading to Instagram post square format here. And I'll be using a new app, which is I will head to apps and here I will write frame maker. Okay, so I will click on it and click on this app, this frame maker, and stick to the video till the end, and I will share with you what are the disadvantages of this app and how you can use it in a creative way. So these are the shapes which you can use, like 1, 2, 3, 6, 9 and 10, total 10 shapes which you can use, and you can customize all the shapes. So let's start with it. Okay, so I am choosing this one. Okay, this frame. Okay, so I will be bringing this one to the middle and again this one to here to make a perfect customized frame for us. So okay, so we will merge both the points here. Okay, so this is the frame which we will be using and we will click on add to design. Okay, so as you can see, this is added to design. I will make it bigger according to our requirement. Okay, so you can keep it small also, but we are adjusting it according to the requirements of us, and we are bringing it to the middle. Okay, now we'll go to elements and here we'll search the bird toucan, and I will go to photos here and I will search for a perfect image for making this effect. So this is the image which I will be using. Okay, so I will bring it to frame and I will make the picture bigger. Okay, so I will double click it so that it here brings the crop option. Okay, so I will make it bigger like this, something like this. And while making this size, make sure you are using the scale here. To bring the scale, you have to just hit in the keyboard Shift plus R. Okay, so this is the scale here. Make it slightly small so that it adjusts to the scale. And also adjust here. Okay, so this one is done. Now we'll click on done here. Okay, now just bring it here. We'll go to edit photo and just we will bring us to the prefer the old editor option. Okay, so I will bring the photo back again here and I will click on edit image, and this time as you can see we are using the old editor and we'll click on BG remover. So as you can see, the background remover option has removed the background quite beautifully, and now it's time for us to adjust the image to the scale, and we will do it holding the control key in the keyboard, because if we don't hold that, this picture might get aligned to this frame. So we will hold on to control and just make it bigger, the image, and we will adjust it accordingly. Holding on to control, just adjust the image. Zoom it so that the adjustment is done properly. Okay, so this is the perfect adjustment. Now we will crop out the parts which we don't require. Okay, so just crop them, because we just want the bird's upper part. Okay, so this one is done. So here it is done. Now let's work on some more effects. So we'll just remove the scales here. Okay, now after removing it, we will click on the frame here and we will click on duplicate. Okay, so after clicking on that, we will just make it bigger. And here we will change the color to white. Okay, and here we will click on this more option and we will go to layer and then show layers, and here I will bring the white layer just beneath the main layer. Okay, so this one is done. Now we will change the background so that the white layer is visible to us and we can adjust it in a proper way. So this is done. Now let's adjust the white image or the white frame here. Now holding on to the control key or the arrows key, you can just adjust the image or adjust the frame accordingly. Okay, so this one is done. And hope you like this tutorial, and now it's time to show you what are the disadvantages of the frame maker app. So we will come again to the frame maker app, and as you can see that you cannot make any type of letter frames. Like when we go to elements and we just scroll down, we find many type of shapes here as we bring on to the frames, and you can see these are the basic shapes which are available in the frame maker app. But when we come to the devices or this stone paper rip paper effect or this flowers effect, so these type of effects are not at all possible in this frame maker app. But the main advantage is that we can just move the positions and make it customized. So that is the advantage here which we can do. But nevertheless, Canva will update on this and keep on updating and bring us with new type of surprises. And with this message, I think you learned from this new tutorial, and make sure you leave a comment about your feedback and what else we can improve in this video.